Hello friends, Namaste. I'm Gayatri from Spital, United Kingdom. Firstly, I would like to thank our Guruji, Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji and Swarnamala Patri Madam before we begin our program. I would like to introduce myself first. I have completed master's degree in Information and Communication Technology. I have got total 10 plus years of experience in software industry. I'm currently holding the position of senior manager in MNC IT firm. I'm married and I've got one 2-year-old baby. Today I'm here to share with you all my journey into PSSM family and how meditation is transforming my life completely. Since childhood, I had undergone lots of stress as I was very competitive in my school and college. And also at around the age of 12, I started getting out of body experiences which were very fearful because of the lack of right knowledge or right wisdom related to it. So it's like I've spent almost 19 to 20 years of my time fearing that some spooky things are happening with me. It was as if fear became comfort zone for my mind. Out of nowhere, my mind used to pick up negative and disastrous thoughts from which fear used to get generated. So this was the situation that I was in. Also, I had so many questions in my mind, because of these experiences, that what's exactly happening with me? Am I really going to die? If I die, where will I go? Where did I come from? All kind of questions I have had. Couple of years ago, when I conceived, I wanted to give right knowledge to the baby inside. So I started listening to the spiritual talks of great gurus in YouTube channels. One day, under recommendations, I came across Brahmarshi Dr. Newton Kundaviti sir's wisdom sharing videos on Die Before You Die, Life After Death, Near Death Experiences, Past Life Regression, many more videos. While watching those videos, I really felt very happy and I felt I got liberated because I got all the questions that I have since my childhood, all of them are answered. And I was movie addict at that time. I used to watch at least one movie a day. While watching these videos, I naturally lost the interest in movies because these videos, they are more interesting, more exciting than movies. So the movie addiction is long gone. These videos, they have inspired me and they have motivated me a lot. Through these videos only, I got to know about Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement. Thank you so much, Brahmarshi Dr. Newton and Brahma Vidvarista Dr. Lakshmi. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am, for all the wisdom sharing. These videos, they really have changed my life forever. Thank you. At around 8 months ago, I have had one situation in my family. My parents were not happy. I was looking for some solution. By that time, I was already watching all the programs in PMC Online TV YouTube channel. So deep inside, I knew that only a pyramid master can give solution to the problem. So I went to pssmovement.org website. I got in touch with one of the great and compassionate master, Sri Lakshmi. She very patiently listened to my problem and she told me that meditation is a solution for all the problems. Why don't you start meditating? I am starting this 40-day meditation challenge program. You can join, she told me. I thought I will give it a try and I took up the challenge. So that's how my journey into meditation has started. Thank you so much, Sri Lakshmi. Thank you for introducing me to this great Anapanasati meditation. Thank you. Though this Anapanasati meditation, it's a simple breathing technique. Initial few days, I found it really very difficult to meditate because I was getting so many thoughts when I sit into meditation. I used to think that, maybe meditation is not for me. I'm getting so many thoughts. I'm flooded with so many thoughts. I'm getting more thoughts when I sit into meditation than the other times. So maybe it's not for me. I used to think like that. I asked the same question to the other pyramid masters. So what they said is, see, basically the thoughts, they're already there. When you are sitting in meditation, when you are closing eyes, they are just coming to the surface. Let them come and let them go. You focus on your breath, they said. I started following the same. And after 40 days, I started feeling a bit better. And I decided to continue my meditation journey. Connecting with energies, it was my first ever spiritual workshop, which was conducted by Prabodh Master. He geniusly designed the techniques and Yoga Nidra in such a way that just by practicing them for a few days, we will really be able to feel the electromagnetic field or the energy field around us. I have also felt that I was surrounded by cocoon of energy. And the most amazing and surprising thing that has happened to me is my sleep quality it has increased and my sleep quantity it has decreased drastically. I used to sleep only for 3 to 3.5 hours a day. I'm a working woman and I was also taking care of my baby, but I never got tired throughout the day. It is such an amazing experience. I used to use my rest of my sleep time for meditation and for listening to the wisdom sharings of other masters. Thank you so much, Prabodh Master. Thank you for coming up with such a great workshop. Thank you. After doing meditation regularly for a few months, I have realized that I am in a state of emotionally balanced. Earlier, before meditation, I used to adopt the emotions of the other person. If the other person is angry, I used to get angry. If the other person is irritated, I used to get irritated. It was like that. This state of emotionally being balanced, it came very naturally to me. It's not like now that I am meditating, I have to, set some standards for myself. It's not like that. It just came very natural. And also, this state of emotionally being balanced, it helped me to gain control over situations, around me, both in my personal life and in my professional life. I was also a stressor at workplace. I had stress and anxiety related issues. Thanks to Paripatri, thank you for introducing me to heart science and teaching me heart coherence techniques. Paripatri is an award-winning executive empowerment coach. She is light worker, energy healer, she's meditation coach and speaker. She's really a very powerful lady and I always look up to her. In this 4-week heart science workshop, she taught me about heart facts, that heart is more intelligent than brain and heart sends more signal to the brain than brain sends to the heart. And also I've learned that heart has 40,000 sensory neurites, which are brain-like cells, which acts as little brain in the heart. And also heart has got heart's electromagnetic field. It's 5,000 times stronger than brain's electromagnetic field. All these heart facts that I have learned, they are being backed by scientific experiments which are proven in the laboratories. I have also learned about heart coherence. What is heart coherence? Why it is very important to be in coherent state throughout the day. And also I have learned the amazing techniques to be in coherent state. I must say, these techniques, they really help me to overcome my stress and anxiety related issues in short time. Thank you so much, Paripatri. Thank you for helping me. Also, I have attended one astral travel workshop. When I started my meditation journey initially, I used to think that, if I'll be able to do one astral travel, one conscious astral travel in this lifetime, that'll be more than enough. I don't think I'll be able to do more than that. I used to think because I was getting so many thoughts. But thanks to Santosh Master and Prabodh Master, with their guidance, I have done many astral travels now. And also this particular workshop, it has helped me to overcome my fear of darkness completely. I also had fear of failure. I didn't know how to deal with a failure. I always stressed myself at my workplace to succeed. All the projects that I have handled so far are successful. It's not because I was effective team player, I was doing good team lead job. It's not like that. It's like I didn't know how to accept a failure, so I stressed too much to succeed. One day, when I was going through an interview given by Patriji sir, the interviewer asked, "Sir, you are taking up many new initiatives. You are launching new programs, which I think are risk-taking. Are you not afraid?" he asked. For that, Patriji sir simply said, "Why to afraid? Either I get succeed or I get fail. It's simple. Why to get afraid?" he said. That somehow made an impact on me. That made me think why I had been stressing myself too much. If not this project, there will be another project. If not this company, there will be another company. Now I'm in a state that I'm ready to accept my failures. I'm ready to learn from them, and I'm ready to let go of them. Also, in another wisdom sharing, Patriji sir said, there is no happiness, there is no sadness, there is only learning. We all are gods. We have come onto this earth plane for learning, he said. I can say this one sentence. It has changed my perspective towards life completely. Earlier, I used to think that why certain people are behaving certain ways with me, why they are making me angry, why they are making me sad. I used to think like that. Now, I have realized that it does not matter, how I learn. All that matters to me now is whether I am learning or not, whether I learn from good circumstances or from bad circumstances. That's okay with me. As long as I'm learning, I'm happy. Basically, all the wisdom that comes from Patriji sir, it really is helping me in many other ways in my life. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Also, thanks to Pranahita. She is an enlightened master and my good friend. She channels light language and she is a gifted clairvoyant. She is certified life and mindfulness coach. She wanted to create a compassionate listening space for all the women across the globe. So she created Divine Feminine Sangha platform for this purpose. Through this platform, I met many women across the globe. I shared my experiences. I listened to their experiences. I feel so good connecting with all of them. We basically support each other in this group. It's like we are there for one another. It's a wonderful feeling, friends. It's really a wonderful feeling. Thank you, Pranahita. Thank you for coming up with such a great platform. Thank you. Through her guided meditations and wisdom sharings, I have learned self-love. I have started practicing self-love. I started, accepting my divine feminine qualities more. I started connecting more with Mother Earth, Mother Nature, and Mother Water. I have also seen thousands of women healing their physical and menstrual issues with her guided meditations. Thank you so much, Pranahita. Thank you for making the difference. I am also active volunteer in Divine Feminine Sangha platform, and I am also volunteer in Pyramid Call Services UK team. Through these voluntary works, I am meeting great masters and I am learning new things every day. I strongly believe that contribution or the service, it's the shortcut for enlightenment. So I decided to spend 5% time of my weekdays and 10% time of my weekends for these voluntary works. I do flyers, sometimes I host a meeting, sometimes I do the anchoring, or I give live, something or the other. I have decided to contribute my time for my own learning purpose and for my own growth purpose. I'm continuing my journey accordingly. Also thanks to Shreyans Daga Master, Varun Daga Master and team for conducting breathwork sessions. These breathwork sessions, they are really, really helping me a lot. I am able to release all my toxic emotions. How I feel during these breathwork sessions, I cannot put it in words. I will say it's once in a lifetime experience. I feel that everybody should try at least once in their life. Also, they say that if you do breathwork sessions regularly, as a side effect, you will lose your weight. Good side effect, isn't it? I have also lost almost 9.5 kgs of my weight already by doing these breathwork sessions. Thank you, masters. I don't read much books, so I sincerely follow G. Srinivas Reddy sir's wisdom sharings and spiritual talks. He's the founder of Swadhyaya Yoga. He basically picks up one book or one spiritual topic and he explains the topics or the concepts very clearly that anybody can understand. And these wisdom sharings, they really are helping me a lot as I don't read much books. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for coming up with such a great initiative. It's very useful. Thank you. Also, friends, I would like to share with you my experience during Digital Meditation Summit UK. During these DMS UK preparations, I got a chance to meet all the great masters in UK, and also I got the opportunity to talk to Patriji sir once. During that meeting, Patriji sir said, conducting summits are nothing but conducting yagnas. Whosoever work for the summit, they get the same result as that of conducting yagna, he said. The next day, DMS UK, it was super successful event. Thanks to Dr. GK sir, Gopalakrishna sir, for his presence, guidance and support. Thanks to Ravi Kiran and team for giving me the opportunity to be able to do anchoring for some time. Thank you so much. It's a lifetime memory for me. Thank you. The next day after DMS UK preparations, when I sat into meditation, I have seen one past life vision. I have seen a man having very sharp knife in his hands. He just cut the legs of an elephant, just above its knees. After coming out of meditation, I thought, why would I see such vision? Maybe it's not related to me. I did not think much about it. But I would want to tell you that I have had pain just above my knees from past 9 to 10 years. I didn't know, first of all, I didn't know why I got that pain. Sometimes it was very severe. So, but I was not much of a sports person, but I didn't know why I got that pain. So it was like that. Whenever I get the pain, I used to massage and somehow it used to come down. So it was continuously, it was like that. So one day, after a few days, when I was listening to wisdom sharings of Bhimineni Vamsikiran sir's videos on law of karma and the method to overcome it, in that video he clearly explained that in meditation we see the visions of past life, and he explained the method how to overcome. At that time it struck me that, oh, maybe the vision that I have seen in my meditation few days ago, maybe it's related to my past life experience. So I sat into meditation and I followed the method. I basically said sorry for the elephant. I apologized from the bottom of my heart for hurting the elephant so badly. I also promised that I will never ever hurt any animal ever again in my life. I just did this for 3 to 4 days, and to my surprise, 5th day the pain is gone. It's totally gone and it has never returned. So friends, it's been more than 8 months since I have started my meditation journey. I have learned that meditation is new normal. The more we make our mind empty, the more capability we get to utilize our mind to the fullest. Meditation has redefined the success for me. It has increased my intuition power. It's so easy to live in dreams, but meditation teaches you to live in the present moment. It teaches us the mindfulness. Now I cannot imagine my life without meditation. It has become my lifestyle. Thank you so much, Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji sir. Thank you, Madhu, for your love and compassion. Thank you, Pradeep Vijay and Navneet Kaur, for conducting these 40-day meditation sessions. I'm currently taking part in it. I feel really so good. Thank you so much. Thanks to each and every Pyramid Master. Thanks to Mahila Dhyana Mahachakram team. Thanks to PMC English team. Thanks to my parents for not only giving me the birth, but also giving me the life. Thanks to my family for supporting me. Thanks to my PMC UK and Divine Feminine Sangha family, which are very close to my heart. Thank you. Also, I would like to thank each and every strong woman who have inspired me and motivated me and made me what I am today. Thank you. And also thanks to each and every powerful woman out there who are making the difference in this world. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. I also would like to tell you that it is really my privilege and honor being part of this great PSSM family. Thank you once again. Thank you for listening. Thank you.